Hello everybody, thank you so much for watching Shruti's Planet. I hope everyone is doing great. Welcome back to my channel. Here we talk about mindset, spirituality, manifestation and so much more. So if you're interested in any of that, make sure you subscribe the channel, and without any further ado, let's get started.
1, 2, 3.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So let's talk about robotic affirming. I heard about this concept from Semi Ingram and I have done it before unknowingly. I manifested monetization of this channel and now I have been, doing it from last 2 weeks. So it's been good. So let's talk about that. What is robotic affirming and how does it work, and like what it is that you have to do? Robotic affirming is just saying your affirmations again and again like a robot, and you don't have to feel anything. You don't have to believe your affirmation. You just have to say it. And the logic behind that is that whatever you tell yourself again and again, over and over, your mind believes it. Like, it has no other choice than to believe it. Because our every thought, our every word that you are saying, no matter whatever it is making some sort of vibration in your body. So when you again and again keep on creating that vibration, your subconscious doesn't have any choice than to accept it. So that's the science behind it. So now how I robotically affirm. I use telecounter because I feel like it's very hard for me to just keep on saying the affirmation again and again in my head. I need something to count on. I need the accountability, how much time it's done. So yeah, I use telecounter. You can buy this is how it looks like. You can buy it from Amazon. I bought it from Rishikesh, so use it. Now the way it works, you can pick 1 to 2 affirmations or 3, whatever you like, and you have to keep on repeating it again and again. Now a lot of people ask that what number it should be, how many times in a day. So I sometimes do it 8,000 times. I know, sound crazy, but yeah, I do it 8,000 times. But the reason it is worth it is because the best part of this process is that you don't wait for your manifestation to happen for months. No, like, you're making it happen, like, just by putting some extra effort. I'm really grateful that you're here, but also, like, how many times you're affirming? No, you're just watching the content, but you're not actually putting in the work. So I'm telling you to put in the work, like, actually go and affirm. And you don't have to, like, you can watch videos and affirm. Like, it doesn't matter. You can be watching something and you can be affirming. It's up to you. But you gotta do the work. And also your subconscious start believing that whatever you're telling it a lot faster. Because obviously at first, whenever you start saying something, your subconscious is like, it doesn't believe it. I've seen it within a day sometimes. I sort of start feeling it, that yes, I am that, whatever I'm saying, And trust me when I say this, your manifestations comes a lot faster with this technique. And honestly, sometimes very instantly. So what it is that you're waiting for? So I would say, let's give it a try. Let's do robotic affirming together. Choose one affirmation. It can be absolutely anything, that I'm successful, I'm rich, I am healthy, whatever it is that you want to manifest. My SP loves me, or whatever it is, it doesn't matter what it is that you want to manifest. It will come if you are willing to put in the work, and all you have to do is just affirm. So start robotically affirming. And I understand that 8,000 times in a day is like hard for a lot of people. It sounds like a personal nightmare for a lot of people. Do it 500 times a day, 1,000 times a day. Trust me, it's not that hard. Like, it hardly takes 10 minutes, 20 minutes to do that. So I'm sure if you're watching this video, you do have some sort of time for yourself, so utilize it. I'm looking forward to see your results. If you have any questions regarding this, put them in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram. And I'm thinking of covering up the 13 universal laws. What do you think about that? Do let me know. And if you have any other questions related to manifestation or your life, feel free to put them in the comment section. And do let me know what you think about this video, because I think a lot of people are having different perspective when it comes to doing the affirmations. A few people prefer few techniques. Few people like visualization. So I merge visualization with affirmations and it works like magic. So maybe try that out and do tell me what works best for you when it comes to manifesting stuff a lot faster. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do it, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed, stay happy, keep on manifesting, keep affirming. Namaste, bye bye.